Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to disable Tux Paint sound effect. So there are a lot of sound effect there. So if you want to disable this sound effect, you can go to you can search you can search here on your Windows computer. You can find config Tux Paint. You can find config Tux Paint app. Search. Then you can get Tux Paint configs. Go to the video and sound. There is a sound, enable sound effects. Remove this right mark. Okay, then you can apply these things. Okay, you can close the program. Now there is no sounds. Okay, I think this will be helpful for you. If you have any question regarding this one, please comment below.